So what do we have here? Hmm. This is a rare breed, kids and pets. Rare breed indeed. Oh boy. Oh boy. It is the last of a dying breed. This is one of the last of the Mustangs. Yep. One of the last of the Mustangs that we will be producing. So let's take a look and see what's in here. I can even, I could even open up the box in the box, but I'll do it this way. So here we go with the Josh Berry 2026 Ford uh, uh, Wood Brothers car. Stuff that here back down in there. So there you go. There's the ends. Here's some suggestions of other stuff. One of the other last of the Mohicans is the Joey Logano. I'm not sure what's going to be the last one we come out with at the moment, but that will be soon. And then we got our licensing information down on the bottom, the Builders Club stuff for you, colors you may need. Don't forget to get your glue. And now let's take a look. See, these last, I think we're only doing about 300 of these, of the Joe Logano's, another 300. So we're doing really low numbers. If you want a Ford, if you want a 2026 Ford, you'd better place your order for them now, because these will be the last. We will not be renewing our license with Ford. So there's a lot of reasons for it I'm not going to go into, but here's the clear tree. Round end squishies are that. There's our hood. And all of these last Fords, they're going to be painted in white, so be prepared to actually paint your car. I know. We've gotten you guys spoiled to having everything shot in a color that you don't have to do it, but there you go. They are going to be white. So for you guys who have been wanting to buy your kits to build whatever you want to build, there you go. There they are. So there's our black trees with our under tray. You know the deal on the under tray. If it's not flat, which it probably won't be, you just twist it where you want and it'll stay put. So there's those trees. Watch the oops video. It will tell you about a couple little things that you need to trim. That the good people who made the molds added some draft and it made things difficult. So there is the old style hood. I think the reason you get this tree is because of the thing for the air filter or air intake, and then the hood. Okay, and here's where we get to the brass tacks, as it were. So, okay, there's all the black decals. And another beautiful piece of work by Mr. Clay Kemp. That is very well done, very good looking. You know how this car is going to look. It's going to be gorgeous. The Wood Brothers cars are just so stinking classy looking. So well done, Mr. Clay Kemp. Okay, come on up. Somebody decided she had to come up and help Dad with the recording here. So yeah, this Mustang is one of the last 4 of the 2026 Mustangs we will be doing. We're not going to continue our license with Ford, so the licensing agency has made it incredibly difficult for us financially impossible for us to carry it on. It's not a problem with Ford. It's their licensing agent, and it's when you don't sell enough models, then it doesn't pay to actually continue something like that. So nothing against Ford, and I don't even know the name of the licensing agency, so I can't badmouth them. But anyway, that is what it is, and we will continue, and we'll put out lots of other stuff. We've got a Chevy mold that should be arriving in Southern California within hopefully within the next week or so, and we'll start popping out 26, the new Chevys. Till then, we've got the Wood Brothers car. We've got Joey Logano's car. Oh, that thing is gorgeous. Hopefully, I'll have that in a few weeks. And then we're going to do Ryan Blaney's Discount Tire. And then we're going to do Austin Cendric, the PPG, that beautiful blue and the faded different colors, like Joseph Newgarden's road course car. So we'll be doing that one too. And once again, these are going to be very, very limited. So if you want one of the last of the Fords, jump on the pre-orders, because they're going to be, some of them I think may already be gone. So jump on them, get them, and you know. You may end up seeing them on eBay in a couple months at a highly inflated price. But hey, we do what we can do. Hopefully, you're going to be happy with the Chevys, and later on this fall, cross the fingers, we'll have the new Toyota mold. That's it. So keep following us here and join us Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. Central here on YouTube, our YouTube channel, because Rick and myself, and most of the time, Mr. Lucas C., a.k.a. Matt Conti, we do Saturday morning shows, and, it's just kind of styrene sniffing and Sunoco sniffing. So, that's we're bench racing Saturday morning. So grab your coffee, come join us. Thank you for buying Salvinos J R Models. Once again, who am I? I'm the J. Jim Rogers. Rick is the R. It's not Junior, and it's not my initials. It's Rick Salvino and Jim Rogers, and we are the J and R. So that's how we got our name. So we're a couple old buddies that decided just about 8 years ago now was the release of the Gray Ghost, our first kit. So we're coming up on an anniversary. And we're just a couple old buddies. He was a customer of mine about 15, 20 years ago, maybe a little longer than that. Anyway, but we always we became friends after that. So that's where Salvinos J R Models came from. So I'm thinking about doing another video very shortly on some of the 3D printed accessories that we sell on the website, or some of them that I sell here. So anyway, check that out. That's going to be coming up soon. And once again, thank you for buying Salvinos J R Models. We've got lots and lots of cool stuff coming. And this year, we're going to be putting out a lot more cool stuff, but in much lower numbers, just like the low numbers that you're seeing here. So those will be coming up soon. So thanks for buying Salvinos J R Models.